Okay, here we have a RONG FU 4-inch capacity portable bandsaw, and we're going to power it up to show you that it does operate. And we turn on the on button there. So just hit the switch here. The variable speed goes from 1 to 6. It has a swivel base. So you can swivel it, do an angle cut. Very nice little saw. It's got some paint scratches, nothing major. And these feet, you're going to have to glue these on because these fall off pretty easy. Not a big deal. Includes an instruction manual and your material stop. The material stop gets mounted like so.